Technical Mechanical here, guys. Today we're going to replace the Sidemarker bulb on L320 Range Rover Sport. In order to undo the latch, you simply just got to push it towards the front of the vehicle and pull it out. It's simply a spring-like tab at the front of the housing that keeps the assembly in place. To reinstall, make sure you slide the back end in first before you push the front end.